Okay, let's do this. Hello, my dear. Hello. This is the 5 cards reading. Okay, panibagong segment na naman sa ating, this is going to be the first video. Okay, let me see, my dear, let me see. Let me see the love tonight. 5 cards lang to. Oops. Dami. 1, 2, 3. Kulang pa tayo ng isa. We have here energy of panic attack. We have your energy ng light. Bakit ka nagpapanik? There's a light gifted. Okay. Somebody's receiving the light, the clarity, confirmation, and nagpapanik. Supposed to be, you don't do the panicking, ha? You don't do the panicking. This is not the time para magpanic. Dapat maging thankful ka. Dapat maging relax ka. Accept the light. Okay, we have here the panic attack. We have here the light. We have here energy ng gifted. Okay. Maybe you're receiving gift. Okay, spiritual awakening. Okay, and we have balimbing, dalawang mukha. Related sa isang tao. By the time na napapanood mo to, my dear, nakaka-receive ka ng mga confirmation about sa isang tao. Probably a backstabber na energy. Nagkakaroon ka ng light, nagkakaroon ka ng gift of analyzing that person. Okay, related sa isang balimbing na energy. Okay, ibig sabihin, kaya niyang mag-multiple personality. Okay, that's what I'm getting. And you are panicking. And please don't panic. Everything is organic. Ay, dalawa. We have your energy ng deception. Sabi ko 5 cards lang, pero may bonus tayo na isa. Okay, we have your energy ng deception. Niloloko ka. Finally, parang may natatanggal na mask. Nakikita mo yon, but rather, hindi mo ma-accept. Possible na hindi mo ma-accept, my dear. We have here may konting sama ng loob. Somebody is like may kinikim-kim. Even though sabihin natin na okay kayo, nag-uusap kayo, and so on and so forth, pero may samaan ng loob, or may sama siya ng loob sa iyo, my dear. Ikaw wala kang sama ng loob sa kanya, pero siya, my dear, may sama siya ng loob sa iyo. Ang problema dito kasi, my dear, balimbing siya, like meron siyang two-face, okay? There's a tendency, my dear, na nakakasalo. Muha mo to, nakakausap mo to, pero lately, my dear, nagkakaroon ka ng realization, my dear, na parang there's something wrong, parang merong spy, parang merong anay nakapasok sa house ko, something like that. Pero ang problema, my dear, is nagpapanik ka as of this moment, and sinasabi ng card dito, my dear, that you don't need to panic. Just kindly accept it kung ano yung nakikita mo, my dear, na light, or kung ano yung nakikita mo na awakening. You're receiving this energy of gifted, or a gift of light. Possible, my dear, a gift of light. You're receiving this gift of light na makita mo, my dear, kung sino yung mga tao, my dear, na totoo at sino yung mga tao na hindi. Sino yung mga tao na dinideceive ka, my dear. Sino yung mga tao, my dear, na dumalapit lang sa'yo because of parang nag-fishing ng information or something na parang gustong isabotage yung life mo. You're receiving this light, this message, okay? This awakening. Sa mga tao na may deception over here, dinidecept ka, my dear, okay? May deception, two faces, so on and so forth, and balimbing, dalawa yung mukha. May konting sama ng loob sa'yo, my dear, itong person na to. And please, my dear, don't deny it, accept it, because hindi mo marireceive yung message na yan kung hindi yan totoo. Okay? Bye-bye!